Evolution is right and creators are wrong. Argument 1. If humans have evolved from apes, then why are there still apes? There are still apes because some of the animals were not allowed and able to live in their environment, so they adapted to humans. The rest of the apes were able to live in their environment and did not adapt. Therefore, there are still apes around these days. Argument 2. You cannot test evolution. It requires many years. Evolution is not testable, therefore it cannot be a theory. You guys all think that evolution is not able to test, but it will be testable, but it takes over millions of years and generation over generation. If you guys really want to test evolution, you guys could take one picture of them in a month or two. Therefore, after that, you guys can see the process of evolution. Argument 3. Have you ever witnessed evolution? Words or proof? We never witnessed evolution, but from the pictures that were taken before and taken these days, we could see how evolution has happened. One example is the giraffes. Before, giraffes had short necks, so they could not get the leaves from the trees. But after that, they adapted to having long necks so that they could eat the leaves up high in the tree. Argument 4. Life just couldn't happen by random chance. There must be an intelligent creator. People all might think that, but it is not true because there is no proof that a creator had made the whole life. Also, the first organism that was on life was animals and dinosaurs. So from those organisms, they must have adapted to the environment and changed to human or other organisms that adapted to humans. Argument 5. No new species have been produced, therefore evolution is not true. You guys might not find out that evolution has not happened because evolution goes after years and years, so it costs more than years to research and find out. Argument 6. Since education is a process of learning, all sides of an issue is appropriate for both creationism and evolution to be taught side by side in school classroom, not to do a violation of privacy of education and civil liberties of creation. It's true that we could talk both, but some students' religion only believe in God, the creationist. But the creationist couldn't have just made all of this thing happen. For example, animals, because animals was the first organism on Earth. So evolution is true and right to teach in school because evolution has more details to show and proofs for why it's true. Thank you.